Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. If you are new on this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe for the more crypto related updates. Today we will analyze Bitcoin chart as well as Bitcoin SV chart. As you can see, current Bitcoin trading zone is completely trap zone, completely bullshit zone you can call. Here you can see the last support of 45k level, almost 45k level is just holding for some time, and price is bouncing for little more time and coming down. This support is no more trustable now. 45k level, I don't trust this level. Either Bitcoin must go above 52k or 50k levels for the next move, safe move we can call. And if BTC price breaks down below 45k level, we can see 40 to 42k level, which is the very good level for the next bounce up level till 60k. If price takes strong support, obviously price will go more up than the previous resistance, previous interruptions levels. I am not trading until and unless 46k breakdown. If price gets stable at 42k level, I will catch longs there, but I am not trading right now, and I need just two zones. First level is 52k level breakout, which is this current resistance level, and I need support of 44k level or 40k levels for the next clear move. I am not trading anything in Bitcoin. Let me give you small information in BSV, what actually happening, and what you can do if BTC is there. Same situation in this BSV also. Price is ranging still in given range zone of BSV. In many videos I have told you, grab as much as possible. If you are Bitcoin is believer or already bought and price is going in still minus, you should hold this trade with stop loss of, I suggested stop loss below this week $116, or if you just bought, you can place stop loss below $112. If you have already bought somewhere like 135 or 144, then definitely you have to put stop loss below 117. Or if you are full risk taker, just hold, don't place stop loss, and hold it for long term. As you can, we can expect 160 to 170 dollars in short term, as all cryptocurrencies are in ranging market, and you can call a bear market. If BTC goes above 55k level, we can see very much growth in other cryptocurrencies, other high coin market cryptocurrencies. Okay, same situation in BSV ranging in this range zone from the $120 to $129. This level is very much good for the next uptrend move. You don't need time for the uptrend move. Here you can see range market is taking more time. It means we can see a very nice growth in very short term. One green candle is enough to make 2x 3x scale. Okay, for that we need a great accumulation, and great accumulation is currently going on, as you can see on this chart. Make sure to stay tuned my YouTube channel as well as Telegram channel. If you are on Telegram channel, you know very well all types of updates I am giving free of cost on this Amit and Crypto channel. If you are not joined yet, you can join his Telegram channel. Okay, let me update my Telegram app. I have updated on my Android phone but not updated on this iPad. Okay, it will take some time for the update. If you are not on Telegram channel, make sure to connect me on Telegram channel for the next future update, as well as you can join our upcoming crypto session. Okay, whole information given in all videos, as well as you can get on the Telegram channel. If you are interested, ping me on Telegram channel and join our upcoming crypto session for more. If you want to know secrets of candlestick, how to read and how to actual trade price action, while you trade actual price action, you are dealing only with price. If you are using indicator between you and price, then you are not trading, you are not really trading. Okay, if you wanna trade, just follow price, and price is equal to candlestick. Don't forget it. If you are able to read every candlestick story, then you are going to make exact price action trading. And if you are using between you and candlestick, it is called indicator. If you are using indicator between price and you, then you are just trading lagging. Indicators are just lagging indicators which are follows the price. If you are following the indicators, then you are not trading actually, you are trading lagging price. Okay, if you want to trade exact price action, then follow only candlestick analysis. Candlestick analysis I will take 10 to 15 days in coming session, is very important. Each and every candle story I will tell you how to trade and how to prepare for the, if price goes up, how you have to prepare before price goes up. If price goes down, how you can prepare before price goes down. We can make both direction trading, either long or short. Long means before price up, if you prepare, you can make profits. And short means if you know price is going to down, you can also sell some contracts and at higher price and buy at lower price range zone. Don't forget to join our upcoming session. There you will get lot of stuffs, lot of secrets behind cryptocurrencies trading. Okay, if you are on Telegram channel, I have given one image here. What you will get in this session: Bitcoin blockchain base. If you are Indian and want to trade cryptocurrencies, if you don't know is crypto bannable or so much secrets will reveal in this first topic. After that you will confidently trade in cryptocurrencies even if you are Indian. Okay, cryptocurrencies cannot be banned. Whole secrets why cannot be banned, all base will be covered in first session. Second is Bitcoin Ethereum concept, ERC20 and BSC concepts, what are those actually and how we can trade and make profits on it. And third is candlestick analysis. Fourth one is chart patterns, price action, indicators, day trading tips, how we can make daily trades or you can say short-term trades on opportunities, tips to avoid failure breakout. So many breakouts can happen, but some of them fails to break out, and how to avoid those types of failure breakouts. And after that, trade to shit coin. And if you're a smaller investor, you can also make so many like examples I will give on this session. Don't forget to join our upcoming session. Okay, all information you will get here, or if you are still have any queries, you can just ping me on Telegram contact. Complete cost is 50,000 rupees with lifetime support. I will support your lifetime, or I will give you signals for the lifetime free of cost on this course. Source will be for this session Google Meet. Okay, duration will be 3 hours per day, just minimum. If you are not understanding any concept during this session, we will extend the hours. Okay, completely depends on understanding capacity. And after days will be 30 days. Okay, practice days are not included. We can say 5 to 10 days we can extend for the practice session. This session is not just session, you will learn real trading, real price action trading. Not only I am saying, I will show you live example, live trading history with me, how I have started and how much I have made till now in these 3 years of crypto journey. Whole concept you will get in this session. Make sure to join me. on this session as well. If you have any queries, just ping me on Telegram channel. Okay, hopefully you guys have understood concept of today's episode. Hopefully